Hey y'all, this is Mattie from Mattie's Kitchen, and today I'll be making y'all some freeze pop. When we're sharing this only kind of treat that we had, it was a treat, and it was just Kool-Aid, water, and sugar. A lot of sugar, because if you don't use quite a bit of sugar, it'll be like a hard block. The sugar kind of make it slushy like at the bottom. So what I'll be using, like I said, we use only Kool-Aid, water, and sugar. I'll be using a little grape juice. This is orange juice. Here's lime juice, lemon. Here's some pineapple. I have some pineapple. I have some also strawberry, fresh pineapple, strawberries. And also for a treat, I'll be getting some little Jolly Rancher. I'll stick this at the bottom of it. And I also have to have water, and you have to have sugar. Now, these are the only things I'll be using. And I'll get back. I forgot to mention I have variety packs of Kool-Aid. I have all different kinds. I have tropical punch, lemonade, grape, and strawberry. Those orange and strawberry. I'll be using those and making those up. And the first thing I do is I take my Kool-Aid, I open the Kool-Aid, and I put it in here. And these are 16-ounce cups. And that's what I also using the 16-ounce water. But don't pour all the water in there at one time, because I'm putting other things in there, and it'll kind of should have took that off while I even started. They'll kind of tilt the water over, get too full. So I'm gonna put sugar. Now this is a half a cup of sugar. I'm gonna start with maybe not quite a half, but I'm gonna taste it. Like I said, the sugar is take quite a bit in there making this, because like I say. And so when I got lemon, I'm gonna put some lemonade in there, some lemon juice, Put some lemon juice. I put all different things in there. Put a little lime juice in it. And I also gonna put some of these pineapples in it. They never got treats like this, but it's good. I made some on my For Sure Kids channel. I made some on there, and it turned out pretty good. Okay. Some water in here. Like this is 16-ounce bottle of water too. But like I said, don't pour all of it in there. Don't pour a bottle. And all you got to do is stir this up and wait till it freezes, and you'll be good to go. Stir it up really good. Because it's going to take the sugar, and I got this little thing I'm going to stir it up. This kind of big. I'm going to get something else to stir it up with, because this is too big. But I do mine in a cup. I break the sugar up. I take and do mine in a cup, just like this, and stir it up good. Because I don't want to use, like I say, then you'll get the right measurements. Now this is the lemonade. I call this lemonade. I'm going to put a little bit more lemon in here. And I'm going to taste it, because I want to make sure it's sweet enough. Put this in here. Some more lemon juice in there. And I also had lemonade Kool-Aid. Don't never think it's too much sugar, because you have to taste it first, and that's how it goes. Like if your kids is a diabetic, I made some on my channel called monk sugar. Now that was about a fourth cup of sugar. I'm through with that one. I'm gonna set that aside, and I'm putting it sweet enough, and it's good. I'm gonna put this Jolly Rancher in there, this yellow one. So I have a treat. Put it in the bottom of that. Sometimes I put 2 in mine. Now, if I was selling it, I put 1 in. I wouldn't give them, but since my family gonna be trying, and friends, I put a 2 in there. And put a little pineapple juice, and I just docked it up. Put a little pineapple juice in here. That pineapple. And I also have this pineapple. I think I put some in there, but it don't hurt to put some more. And this is gonna be so good, y'all. It's gonna be really good. Stir it up good. And you're going to put it in the refrigerator, and you're going to let it set. A simple thing. I know y'all know how to do it, but like I said, when you're making it, and like I said, if your kids are diabetic, monk sugar, it tastes the same. The only thing about monk sugar, it kind of, you'll go to the bath. Sometimes it kind of upset my stomach just a little bit, but it tastes the same. Some people didn't. It was just me. I might be a little sensitive to it. And that's my lemon. Now I'm going to start on another one. Same process. This time I'm going to go with some red Kool-Aid, strawberry, blackberry, whatever. I'm going to put some of this in here, and I'm going to use like I say, for 16 ounces, I use a whole pack. And these are treats when they come in from, after they get through Easter eggs and stuff, they can come in and give them this treat. I'm gonna put that one in there. I always put lemon juice in them. I'm gonna try with some lime juice. I'll be just experimenting, put lime and lemon juice in there. This stuff wasn't, I had the wrong one. This is the blue raspberry lemonade. Okay, got everything in there. Put some lemonade in here and the sugar. These are just something I'm just making up, but they be good. Okay, got a 4 cup of sugar. And I'm gonna put my water. Stir it up good. Like I said, there's nothing to it. I'm gonna get this out y'all way so y'all can see what I'm doing. See, stirring this up. This is gonna be a good one. Stir it up good now. Add the water in there. Like I said, a bottle of water, about 6. I'd say this will be probably about 14 ounces of water. See how good that look? They're gonna enjoy this, honey. Did I put a Jolly Rancher in? No, I didn't. Put that little blue. They're not blue. I thought I had some blue ones, but I didn't. So I put this one in there. And the kids gonna enjoy it. Come in and get through. And when they looking for Easter egg, try to not put too much candy out there. Give them a real egg. Put some real eggs out there and let them eat some of that. And have them some fruit too, because they're gonna have a lot of candy. And try to eliminate by having fruits. Put some apples, grapes out there with them, and let them come in and let them pick. Some kids will go right to the fruits. Some of them won't. Okay, that looks so good to me. And I'm gonna set this aside. That's the other one. And so now I'm gonna make another color. I'm gonna make a red one. I hope this is red. Now here's red. This is a tropical fruit punch. Okay, I'm gonna finish this one up. I'm gonna put some pineapple in this one. I'm gonna get back with you. Okay, here's the one that I just did. And here's the one I put in the refrigerator. They have to be refrigerated until they get frozen. These still a little soft, but these are, once you freeze them, they'll look like this, and they'll be so good. So how good this look, y'all? Like I said, let it stay in the refrigerator for probably overnight. It's a good time, because that sugar gonna make it. When you got sugar, and it's a little harder to freeze than not. Okay then. Thank you all again. Thank you all for tuning in to Mattie's Kitchen. Like I said, this is a treat. After they come out the sun, or they might be in the cold inside, give them a treat. And I mix the mash. Nothing but fruit cups. I call them fruit cups, but I had different things in them. I had pineapple, strawberries. I mixed and matched some of the Kool-Aid. This is my favorite one here. And also this one. They like grape, pineapple, strawberries, and raspberry. These are all the types. And that blue, I forgot what you call the blue one, but anyway, I have 2 types of those. Thank you once again for tuning in to Mattie's Kitchen, and have a wonderful day.